So how many quarts are in a gallon? How many quarts in a gallon? So again, we're working in the empirical system here, and we're measuring volume, right? So empirical system, measuring volume. So you can say that basically, I know that here 1 gallon equals 4 quarts, right? And then obviously I know the relationship between quarts and pints and cups and fluid and cups to fluid ounces. But the question is simply asking how many quarts are in a gallon here. So 1 gallon here equals 4 quarts. So this here is my correct solution and my answer here. There's nothing really we need to do to this math problem. It's just asking us what the conversion factors is for how many quarts are in a gallon. So we should know this by now in terms of the empirical system as well. So again, 1 gallon here equals 4 quarts. So again, the solution here is correct.